Good evening, friends, family, Facebook friends, family, and everyone else. This is Miss Ellen with another late night edition of Kitchen Shenanigans. What I am making is this is garlic. I am making, how it says, garlic powder. So I'm starting with fresh garlic. And then what I'm going to do is, these are crushed garlic cloves, and I'm going to put them in the oven and dry them out and then grind them. What I have in the oven so far is, these are onions, and so what I'm doing is making onion powder. I will be making onion powder, fresh onion powder. Just shenanigan, getting into stuff. So just instead of buying onion powder and garlic powder, I decided to make my own. Lastly, I am making some, in this pot, I have, can't see it, but it's actually beets. I am making some pickled beets. This is the beets right here. They're still hot. And yep, there they are, beets. And I will be making some pickled beets with some different ingredients, along with some organic red wine vinegar. And so that is what I am making so far, to show you that these strange looking mushrooms again. These are king mushrooms, and I'm going to make shrimp and grits. I had a taste for some fried foods, so I'm going to end up making some Louisiana shrimp and grits. And then I got a new spice. It's called garam masala, which is actually a combination of different spices. And I will be making a crock pot meal, which I will show you later. But right now I'm just going to conclude with my garlic powder, and finish my beets are about ready to be done. I'm going to turn them off. So, and then I will show you what the finished products of the garlic powder, the onion powder, and my pickled beets later on today. All right, well, that's a late night edition of Kitchen Shenanigans. Until I check in again, have a great one and stay safe. Good night.